Good morning, 690. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and talk about our presentation coming up with United Way. So it has not been scheduled yet, but before we schedule it, I wanted to meet with you all via Zoom and do a practice run through of your presentation. So what you'll do is I will schedule a Zoom meeting with all of you, and you will present to me as if I am someone from the United Way, because I want to see your presentation um, before we meet with them. So I will be sending out um, a Zoom link. We'll probably do it tomorrow, Wednesday at 11 o'clock, if that time still works with everybody. If for some reason you're not able to attend, that's okay. But I would like most of you to be able to hop on and at least present to me what you will be presenting to the representatives of United Way. So be prepared. If you have to practice beforehand, please do so. But I want you to treat this as the real presentation. So what you'll be doing for them, okay? If you need note cards, um, anything like that to present, have those ready. So I'm giving you approximately 26 hours to prepare for that presentation. So have your PowerPoints, anything like that cleaned up and ready to go. Make sure any references that you have, make sure you have a reference page at the very end to show where you acquired your information. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me right away so that way we can clean up anything prior to our practice run tomorrow. And then once we do that, we'll go ahead and get scheduled to present for the United Way. All right, thanks and have a great day.